Singer of Bollywood has been entertaining millions across with her scintillating voice. The singer, through her concert, helped towards the noble cause of raising funds by foundations.
We're back with Community Roundup. For the first time, Sankara Eye Foundation and Balaji Entertainment brought forth a phenomenal evening with the stunning Shreya Ghoshal at the Riverbend Center in Austin, Texas. It was the first Shreya Ghoshal concert held in Austin.
Shreya Ghoshal, one of the most talented singer of Bollywood, has been entertaining millions across with her scintillating voice. The singer, through her concert, helped towards the noble cause of raising funds for Sankara Eye Foundation's eye hospitals.
Hi, this is Seema Govil in Austin, Texas for the Shreya Ghoshal concert organized by Shankara Eye Foundation. It has been 15 years since a big Bollywood celebrity has come to Austin, and people are so excited. I'm talking to Darshan Mehta, partner of Sri Balaji Entertainment, who has been bringing you shows and entertainment from last 20 years. So I have few questions for him. First of all, I want to ask you, how does the whole process take from the conceptualization to actually bringing the show in front of the audience?
What it takes is understanding of music. We can sense the trends in the market. For example, Sonu Nigam has been coming with us for last 20 years. He first came when he was just coming up, just starting his career, and today his big name. So all those 20 years have paid off. So it's understanding of the market trends, understanding who will sell. This is our 5th tour with Shreya. She's an excellent singer. We call her there is indeed Saraswati in her.
I'm talking to Simanthani Roy. She's the official MC and the host for the Shreya Ghoshal show. So how has your experience been so far with the Shreya Ghoshal concert?
Oh, it has been an absolute fantastic journey. I did my first concert tour with her last year, and she is such an amazing person and a singer, and it's an honor and a privilege to be working with the fantastic team of musicians with her. Yeah, the journey has been so far so good, and this year again I'm back with the tour. It feels absolutely amazing.
This is a Shreya Ghoshal event, and I am her entourage. And the way I am very passionate about eye care and eye surgeries, and this is a very good cause that she's come all the way from India to perform for us, and it's an honor to be part of this organization, and looking forward to a lot of people getting vision through this organization.
Talking to the Austin Shankara Eye Foundation team, they just started a new chapter here. So how was your experience organizing the event?
Oh, this was really a fantastic event. In the beginning, we just couldn't believe that we could make it. But because of all the hard work of the volunteers, I know a lot of them worked till 3 a.m. for at least a month day and night, and they just made it possible. This is the first time we are having the event, and we are absolutely thrilled.
This is one of the first times that Austin has such a big event, and we're excited to have Shreya Ghoshal come do for Shankar Eye Foundation.
Yeah, we are so overwhelmed by the response.
I think this is a big step for Austin. I think from now on we can expect to see a lot of great artists, and it's for a great cause. So.
We started last time when we were hosting the Shankar Eye Foundation concert over here. It was a much mini scale compared to what we are doing this time. And thanks to the friend Shubha and her family, RK, and they got us involved, me and Manjima, my wife, and it was a great experience being part of this, and we are blessed to be part of this.
Within 6 months we came back again, and this is going to be a good start for Shankar Eye Foundation.
Actually, my husband started volunteering here in the Shankar Eye Foundation, and he wanted me to volunteer too, and I think it's a very good opportunity for Austin, and I think we're really excited that Shreya Ghoshal is here, and I think it's very good for Shankar Eye Foundation as well.